Hoi, vandaag zijn we bij het CB... Today we're at the MEB, the Medicines Evaluation Board, former employer of Professor Neef. One of his researchers, Abby Yu, is working here and doing research. We're going to interview her.
Hi, I'm Abby. I'm doing research regarding the interchangeability of generic drugs. The reason is because there are still a lot of concerns of using these medicines in clinical practice. For this topic, we look into whether the revision of regulatory guidelines has consequence on that, and we also check if the post-marketing... Hi, I'm Abby. I'm doing research regarding the interchangeability of generic drugs.
A generic drug is a drug product which is comparable to an originator drug product in dosage form, strength, quality and performance characteristics, and can be allowed on the market when patent exclusivity of the originator has expired, usually after 10 years. A generic can be registered when therapeutic equivalence to the originator has been demonstrated, usually by performing a pharmacokinetic bioequivalence study.
The reason is because there are still a lot of concerns of using these medicines in clinical practice. For this topic, we look into whether the revision of regulatory guidelines has consequence on that.
Requirements for registration of generics are documented in guidelines. Often, guidelines are revised based on renewed scientific insight, where appropriate.
And we also check if the post-marketing variations would change the registration of generic drugs.
After market registration of drugs, sometimes changes to the registration file are made, for instance, when the site of drug manufacturing is moved to another country. These are called post-market variations.
In addition to that, we also look whether the intra-subject variability.
Even if one single individual would take the same tablet on two different occasions, blood concentrations could differ significantly. This is called intra-subject variability.
Has influence on what we observed in the study, that the exposure of generic drug is different with innovator drugs sometimes. While there are still a lot of research needs to be done, so we have another PhD student, Pieter. He's going to perform a modeling and simulation study.
Modeling and simulation in general is getting information about how something will behave without actually testing it in real life.
To investigate potential risks of having clinically relevant difference in individuals. Okay. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, Kees.
Hi, Kees. We just want to thank you for all the help you've been so far, and we hope to see you a lot more at the CBG.
Thank you, Kees.
That's it.